One day, I found a tiny orphaned kitten on the side of the road. Its eyes were sealed shut with hardened dirt, and it walked wobbling like a little zombie just waking up. I quickly picked it up and held it close. To my surprise, this kitten had a funny habit. The moment I hugged it, it climbed up and stuck to my neck and sucked, as if my neck was a magical milk bottle. Whenever I placed it on a pillow, it would get angry, meow, and crawl right back to my neck. Even when it fell asleep, it would cling tightly, just like a furry necklace that could meow. So now I have a vampire kitten, except instead of drinking blood, it's convinced my neck is a 24-hour milk bar.
Hindi na na, mami ayaw dun doon. Mami doon na na. Này chả đó, ôi này nè nè, này nè nè nè, nè jauh sayang nè. Ôi bunda. Uwan nè mama. Uwan nè ai. Uwan dulu sayang nè. Sayang. Aduh. Yan. Pegang ko na sama mau. Aduh. Bantu udah mama aneh sih bantu aja.